Virginia LEND stands for Leadership Education in Childhood Neurodevelopmental Disabilities. We have 16 different types of disciplines of trainees that work together to address the needs of children with significant developmental disabilities and their families.
Traditionally, the requirements to participate in Virginia LEND are to have a bachelor's degree, which a lot of times was a barrier for people with disabilities and family members.
This is the first year that Virginia LEND has actually had individuals with disabilities participating as representatives of the discipline of people with disabilities.
My name is Kit Hammar. I am a medium-term land trainee.
A medium-term trainee is a person with a disability or a family member of a person with a disability that participates in the Virginia LEND program.
The first time I went in a class, I really loved it because it's everything I like to do. Spend time with new friends, with a conversation.
We feel it's extremely important to have individuals with disabilities as part of our training cohort because these individuals are the ones that provide the lived experience of what it is like to have a disability, and especially developmental disability.
The entire program is based on teaching how to provide person-centered and family-centered care, and all of the information and activities are for individuals with disabilities and their family members.
Having people with disabilities on our teams, on our interdisciplinary teams, has really made our trainees listen to the voice of an individual that may not have had the same university training, but they've had the life experience.
The Virginia LEND experience really helps you figure out how to become a leader. It gives you all of the tools and resources, and then it sets you on your way.
I think it's good for me because this is a new experience myself. My leadership skills I'm building up.
As a medium-term trainee, you get to participate in some of our interdisciplinary clinics. You get to complete a research project, and you get to complete a leadership project, which is a project that is based off of a personal goal, and we help you along the way to either reach that goal or further develop it.
My project is to make a video that will tell people what it is like to be a medium-term trainee. I want to send it by email to people with disabilities in my community.
When trainees complete their classroom and clinical and policy training through Virginia LEND, they use the skills that they have learned in many ways. They might become leaders within their professional organization. Still others might use the skills that they learned to become advocates for individuals with disabilities, or they themselves are people with disabilities and they increase their skills as self-advocates.
This is about to enjoy. This is about new life.